Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install iOS 17.4. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, select general, tap on software update. Now it's checking for update. Please wait. Okay, it shows there is an update, iOS 17.4. Size of the update is 2.4 GB. This update introduces new emoji transcripts in Apple Podcast and includes other features, bug fixes, and security updates for your iPhone. If you want to see more details, you can tap on this learn more. Here we get more details about this update. Okay, then tap on done and go back. Here you can see update now button. Tap on this update now button. That way we can download and install this update into this iPhone. So this way we can update iOS to 17.4. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take it.